Hi, so I was doing the business analyst internship from UnifiedMentor, and this is what I've learned. I've learned advanced mathematics, SQL queries, how to use Power BI, how to use Tableau, and basically how to analyze information and data. My project analyzes three data sets: pizza sales, financial performance, and stock market data. So I analyze these data sets to extract actionable insights through a combination of SQL querying, data cleaning, feature engineering, and visualization tools. The goal was to turn raw data into actionable trends, highlight performance drivers, and provide strategic recommendations across finance, sales, and operations. The tech stack that I used includes data cleaning and preparation through Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, then data querying using SQL, visualization tools using Tableau and Power BI, and then my overall presentation I made use of Microsoft PowerPoint. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the stock market data. With stock market data, we identified top performing tickers and sectors based on the price trends. I calculated moving averages to track long-term and short-term performance. Then I highlighted the periods of high volatility for investment risk analysis. When it comes to the pizza sales data, I identified the top best-selling pizzas based on the quantity and the revenue. I then identified the peak sales times and the days of the week for targeted promotions. Overall, on the basis of that, I made recommendations on the pricing strategies that they can use based on demand trends. And then for the financial performance analysis, I measured profitability through gross profit, net profit, and profit margin. I identified cost-heavy areas for possible optimization, and then I analyzed year-on-year revenue growth and operational efficiency. Overall takeaways for this entire project is that there was consistent data cleaning and feature engineering, which enhanced insight accuracy. Visualizations in Tableau and Power BI made the trends easier to understand, and recommendations included targeted marketing, operational efficiency improvements, and investment strategies.